Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're looking at something really specific: air conditioning in North Vancouver. Our source is a local company's website, Pacific Blue Mechanical, and our goal here is pretty simple. Find the big, easy-to-understand benefits of AC service and, why getting help from local folks matters. We'll keep the language super simple.
Exactly. And it's not just about going cold air around. It's really about making your home comfortable, maybe saving you some money, and honestly, keeping things healthier, especially with the kind of weather we get around here.
Okay, let's dig into that. The website talks a lot about North Vancouver specifically. Why is being local such a big deal for AC?
Well, local companies like Pacific Blue Mechanical who run this site, they just know the area's climate. Think about the humidity we get. It varies, right? They serve a wide area: Vancouver, White Rock, Langley, Burnaby, Richmond, Surrey, all over. But knowing this specific area, that helps them give the best advice for your home.
Right, that makes sense. Now, the most obvious thing AC does: it keeps us cool when it's hot. The website mentions the sweltering summer months. That's job number one, yeah.
Absolutely, that's the core function. But there's a bit more to it. The site points out three really big benefits beyond just cooling. First one, saving money. You want to look for something called a high SEER rating.
SEER rating. Okay, what's that in simple terms?
Think of it like miles per gallon for your car, but for your AC. Higher number, less energy used, so lower energy bills for you. Plus, just keeping the system serviced helps it run efficiently, saving energy too.
Okay, lower bills. Got it. What's number two?
Better health. A good, well-kept system has advanced filters. These aren't just basic screens. They actually clean the air. They trap dust, pollen, allergens. This can really help if you have allergies or breathing issues.
Cleaning the air while cooling it. Interesting. And the third benefit?
Longer life for the AC unit itself. If you look after it properly, keep it maintained. These things can last a good 10, maybe even 15 years. And avoiding a huge repair bill, that's definitely a benefit.
Yeah, nobody wants that. The website actually mentions some scary numbers. Skipping checkups could lead to replacing a compressor costing $1,200 to $2,500. Ouch.
Exactly. That's a massive cost that good maintenance helps avoid.
And basic stuff helps, right? Like the site says, changing filters every, 1 to 3 months?
Absolutely. Simple things make a huge difference in preventing those big, expensive problems down the line.
Okay, so maintenance is key. What about getting the AC installed in the first place? The website really pushes professional installation. Why is that so critical?
Well, if it's not put in correctly, it won't work right. It might waste a ton of energy, for one, and it might not even cool your house properly. Experts make sure everything, like the ductwork and the amount of refrigerant, is spot on. That's crucial.
So getting it done right from the start saves energy and makes sure it actually cools.
Precisely. And professional services, like the ones Pacific Blue Mechanical talks about, often offer service agreements. That means regular checkups are scheduled. You don't have to remember, they handle it. Gives you peace of mind, especially before summer hits.
That peace of mind sounds pretty good. No surprise breakdowns when you need it most.
So, thinking about all this,
Yeah.
we see these local experts, like Pacific Blue Mechanical, tailoring things specifically for North Vancouver's climate.
Yeah, that local knowledge seems really important for making your home comfort better and maybe even cheaper. It makes you wonder, if knowing your specific local conditions makes such a difference for your AC in your home, what other parts of your life could be improved if they were perfectly tuned just for your neighborhood? Something to think about.